welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate blog images with Stockimg.ai. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply go to Stockimg.ai. Once you're in its website, you need to sign in into your account or create a new one. Once you have done this as well, simply access the stock image generator, and once you have done this, you need to write your prompt. You can simply enter a description, like write a descriptive text prompt in the designated box to guide the AI in creating the tool or the image. You can add details about the colors and the textures and stuff. You can also choose your setting like AI mode, dimensions, quantity, and generate your image. Now you can simply select and download and refine your image optionally. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.